back on the 2020 Delhi riots in East Delhi. Well, after fielding riot accused Tahir Hussain, it seems that the AIMIM has gone after the BJP's Kapil Mishra, who is now being fielded in a Delhi seat where the AIMIM has now called him as the real rioter, saying that the BJP has given a ticket to the riot mastermind and the riot victims have been insulted by the BJP. Not one, not two, as far as when it comes to the tickets that has been given to controversial candidates by the AIMIM, defending their leaders as far as saying that they are accused, not convicted by courts. However, it seems, Pradeep, on part of the BJP, they are now blaming Kapil Mishra, who too has now given a ticket by the BJP to contest the Delhi elections.
See, I think before pointing a finger towards the Bharatiya Janata Party, they should understand that the four fingers are pointing towards them, because already there had been a lot of criticism because they have given a ticket to Tahir Hussain, who is also accused for the Delhi riots, and Shafoor Rahman. He is also accused of the Delhi riots. And in that particular case, when I interviewed the Delhi president, they said Shafoor Rahman is their hero. I asked them a very pointed and direct question, that how come a person who is accused of Delhi riots, how come that person be your hero? Because on one hand, you keep on talking about the clean image. Then why not to look for somebody who has really got the clean image? What kind of a wrong precedence you are setting in? Now, when the Kapil Mishra is being provided a ticket, they are trying to just hit out at the BJP and trying to score a brownie point that they see how a controversial person has been given a ticket. But before targeting BJP, they should try to look in their backyard what really they have done. And just only a few days back, they have taken a decision in this regard, because when we went to that area, when you interact with the family members, even today the family members are afraid of talking about them. IB, the person working with the Indian Bureau he was killed and his body was found after several days from a nala nearby. Even so today, even if they are...
the ticket that has been given by the BJP to Kapil Mishra to contest the elections. However, as far as Pradeep is pointing out, this is the justification that was given by the AIMIM when they too have given tickets to the riot accused, at least two of them. Let's listen into their defense.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली दंगों का असली मास्टरमाइंड और हकीकी दंगाई कपिल मिश्रा को टिकट दिया है करावल नगर विधानसभा से। ये उन दंगा पीड़ितों के ऊपर नमक छिड़कने के बराबर है जिनकी बस्तियां और जिन घरों को जलाया गया था ब्रिजपुरी में, मुस्तफाबाद के अंदर जिन मस्जिदों पे हमले किए गए थे, जिन 36 मुसलमानों ने अपनी जान गंवाई है इस दंगे में, उन सब के जख्मों पर नमक छिड़का गया है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दोबारा से साबित कर दिया है कि वो एक दंगाई पार्टी है। और भले ही कपिल मिश्रा के बारे में लोग कहते हो कि केस नहीं है, और लेकिन जनता की भी एक अदालत होती है, और पूरी दुनिया ने देखा कि कौन वहां दंगे करवाने के लिए भड़काऊ भाषण दे रहा था। कागजों में भले हो या ना हो, लेकिन कपिल मिश्रा के माथे पर लिखा है कि दंगाई कपिल मिश्रा है।
Well, the AIMIM expressing their disapproval as far as Kapil Mishra being given a ticket by the BJP. However, they're doing the same as far as two of the riot accused have been given a ticket to contest the elections in the national capital. Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short break.